Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey and I am a 21-year-old living in San Francisco, and this video is yet another what I eat in a week. And I just love making these videos because I want to show people that balance is key. And just a disclaimer before I start this video, I am not a nutritionist, I am not a dietitian, and I have not studied anything STEM related. I am just a girl who practices intuitive eating, meaning I listen to my hunger cues, I listen to what my body is craving, whether sweet or savory, and I overall just treat my body with love and kindness and appreciate it for what it does for me. And that method of intuitive eating and just appreciating my body has really healed my relationship with food as someone who has struggled with dieting and how toxic diet culture is. And I want you guys who watch these videos to know that this is not a diet plan, and you eating a certain way or following someone else's video to look like them is not gonna work, because all our bodies are different and all our bodies need different things regarding food and exercise. So just take these videos with a grain of salt and just watch them for entertainment or food inspiration. And yeah, for me personally, I don't eat a certain way to look a certain way. I just eat what makes me feel happy, what makes me feel energized. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. Monday morning around 10 o'clock, I had my typical egg and spinach scramble, and I added some reduced fat Swiss cheese on top, and surprisingly, this cheese does not trigger my lactose intolerance. And then I also toasted up a bagel thin, and it was a delicious breakfast that was warm and hearty and just really filled me up. During the afternoon, it was snacks galore. I had Pocky, which is Asian childhood snack, and then I had this Korean jelly snack. It's only 6 calories, but it's so good if you like jelly. And then I had some carrots and hummus from Trader Joe's. And then even later, I had some Mott's fruit snacks because childhood vibes. And I love the carrot flavor. Around 5 p.m. I went on a run around my neighborhood to the marina, my typical 3, 4, or 5 mile route depending on how far I want to go down. And it was great. And when I got back, I had a protein bar by Built, and again, really great, low sugar, high protein, clean ingredients, so good, tastes like a candy bar. Around 7 p.m. for dinner, I wanted some of my overnight oats, and how I make these, I just take super ripe bananas, like brown, and then I chop them up. I throw in a cup of oats and then almond milk, and I mix that all together, and the bananas become like congealed with the oatmeal, and then I leave that overnight, and I just top that with some coconut flakes and almond butter. I wanted to keep it simple with the toppings this time, but it's such a delicious meal. But I was still hungry, so I toasted up a piece of pumpernickel bread, and then I took some light cream cheese and then added some salmon lox and had a slice of that, and it was so good, and I needed that savory in my life. And as I was scrolling on TikTok at 10:30 p.m., I saw a 3-ingredient Samoa cookie where you just take super ripe bananas, you smash them, I added pumpkin spice, and then you just mix them with coconut flakes. You bake them at 375 for 30 minutes, and then in the last 5 minutes you add chocolate on top. So I made those, but they tasted kind of really bad, so I am not eating them, unfortunately. 2 Tuesday morning, I had the overnight oats again, and I added frozen blueberries this time. So I just plopped the blueberries on top and I microwaved it for 30 seconds. And then I drizzled on the almond butter and coconut flakes, and it was so beautiful and immaculate. And who wouldn't want to eat this? It's so pretty, but it was delicious, and I love oatmeal. So last night when I made these cookies, they were still soggy because they were overnight and did not have enough time in the oven. So the next day I just plopped them in the oven for another 10 minutes and they were better. As an afternoon pick-me-up, I had a Yakult, which is a probiotic drink, and it's from my Asian childhood, but they taste so good, and you guys should definitely go try it because it was Peter Kambisky's gift to Laura Jean, and I'm channeling my Laura Jean. I have a snacking problem, but that's okay because that's what my body craves, just a bunch of little snacks and different tastes of everything. So I had 3 cups of edamame and I just had to microwave it, and it was amazing. I love edamame. And then I had a buffalo chicken patty, a veggie version obviously because I don't eat meat, and that was good. And then I was still hungry, so I had a bagel thin with butter and everything but the bagel seasoning. And yeah, I really enjoy just eating a bunch of different things in smaller quantities. After the plethora of snacks, I went on a sunset walk and it was immaculate. After my sunset walk around 7, I had another Korean jelly drink, and then I messed up my camera's filter or coloration. So I had an apple and I also had JoJo's from Trader Joe's, but yeah, the filter looks super vintagey and dark, which I guess it fits the fall Halloween aesthetic, so I'm not mad about it. But then also I had some carrots and hummus, and then some like flourless tortilla chips and Greek yogurt guac from Trader Joe's because I'm just a snackaroo. Hump day! On Wednesday I had coffee, but honestly I feel like I'm slowly yielding off coffee. I have it like 4 times a week instead of every day. But you know the drill, iced coffee, you add the almond milk and coconut creamer, and it is delicioso. As for breakfast, I made myself an egg white scramble with some grape tomatoes, spinach, and mushrooms. And I start off first by cooking the tomatoes down because you want your tomatoes nice and roasted, and then I add the spinach and mushrooms and you saute those up, and then you add the egg whites, and then oh my god, Snapchat, I'm so popular. And then I added some Swiss cheese, and it was a delicious scramble, and I just love my egg whites. In the afternoon, I did a bunch of Mad Fit workouts regarding the booty gains and then some ab workouts, and yeah, I'm just really trying to get on my fitness game because gyms are open, but I refuse to go because of safety. So I'm just doing a bunch of workouts at my house, and hopefully they work. For a late lunch, I wanted to have a yogurt bowl, so I just microwaved some blueberries and then I mixed in some Greek yogurt, and it makes a beautiful color. And then I added some granola and almond butter on top, and it was chef kiss. And right after, for a little extra sweet tooth, I had a JoJo because I'm obsessed with JoJo's. For dinner, I had a salad with buttered lettuce, corn, and a buffalo chicken veggie patty, and then I topped it off with green goddess dressing, and it was delicious. For dessert, I had Halo Top peanut butter ice cream, and it was very delicious as well. So I also had some tortilla chips and Greek yogurt guacamole. Thursday morning, I went home to get the car, but I had an apple, and once I got the car, I got back to my apartment and had some iced coffee with egg whites because I accidentally poured egg whites in instead of creamer, but then I added creamer and I mixed it all together and I couldn't really taste it, so extra protein. And then I had myself some avocado toast with whole grain bread and 2 eggs, and it was a delicious hearty breakfast because I had to drive to Tahoe after, so it kept me full and energized. On the drive, we stopped for coffee, and I just got sweet cream cold brew, and then we also stopped for food, aka dinner. Kat got McDonald's, and then I got Taco Bell. I got a roll-up and a bean burrito, and this car is weird. Hi guys, I'm interrupting this what I eat in a week to tell you guys that I am in Tahoe, and I just wanted to show you the beautiful trail I'm on. It's 7 a.m. I am so happy and awake, and I'm so glad I'm in nature. It's so beautiful, but just wanted to show you guys the trail. I'm just chilling on a log and I love it. It's so pretty. Oh my God. Around 12 p.m. me and my roommate Kat went to a diner and we got breakfast. I got a California omelet and it was so delicious with the cantaloupe and potatoes and avocado, and oof, I'm dreaming about her right now. But after that, we went to look at the actual lake of Lake Tahoe. We looked at all the beautiful yellow trees, the basking waters, and I love nature. But after our exploring, we went to a German beer garden and I had some beers, but I also had mac and cheese. So that is everything I ate this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and treat your body with kindness. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.